with all of our nice grilled meat, we're going to have some grilled vegetables. And here you see the vegetables I'm going to grill today. I've got some zucchini, some yellow squash, portobello mushrooms, onion. Ideally, I'd like to use a red onion, but a white onion is just, it's not as pretty, but it tastes great grilled. And then red, orange, and yellow peppers. We're going to combine all of those in a large bowl and season them with some simple olive oil and a little more of this grill mix. We're going to toss all that together, and then we're going to put it in this grill basket. There's a number of different varieties of grill baskets, just anything made for the grill that will allow small things not to fall in. So this one, you can fill it up with vegetables, and then you just stick the top on like that, slide this over, and just stick this whole basket on the grill. So that's how we're going to grill our vegetables today. And we will chop up vegetables, put it in there, and I'll be back with you in a second. That's a lot of vegetables. We have a lot of folks coming over. So we have the Montreal. Make sure we got olive oil. We don't want them to burn. And I'm going to add soy sauce. Portobello mushrooms love soy sauce, and I love soy sauce with portobello mushrooms. And going to toss that and just stick them in our bag. And this is the last thing we'll put on and cook pretty quickly. You want them to get the really smoky flavor of the grill. Doesn't that look so good already? Yum. Okay, so I'm going to fill my basket with some beautiful vegetables. And we're going to put the top on, stick it in the grill. So we filled the basket, and we filled it pretty full. You can do it less or more, whatever works for you. I've got a lot to grill though. So we slide this up, close it. We're going to take it to the grill. All right. Those burgers that we made earlier, you see they're just about done. And we're going to stick these vegetables on the grill. In case you're wondering, that's turkey and chicken sausage. That's going to be delicious too. But I didn't do anything, so there's nothing to teach. Our barbecue is done. Thank you for watching this edition of Joy of Soul Food. Remember, we made our St. Louis style barbecue ribs with their St. Louis barbecue sauce. We have the grilled chicken. We made it with corn, some roasted vegetables, and the smoked chicken and turkey sausage. We have our lime shrimp, our wonderful grilled burgers, and we hope that you'll try a lot of these menus. Remember, all recipes are on www.joyofsoulfood.com. Bon appetit.